Okay, in these last two examples, we are asked to find the sum of a geometric series, and it looks a little complicated, but it's actually not that bad. You could compute this by hand. But what we're going to do is we're just going to do this all on the calculator, and we're just going to keep it simple. So what we're going to do for the first one right here that I call number 5, I'm going to go alpha, and I'm going to go to window, and I'm going to hit number 2 for summation. And it says k here in the problem, but we're going to stick with x because it's just easier to type. From 1 to 5. Okay. And then we're going to scroll over here into the parenthesis area. And we're going to type 4, a parenthesis, and we're going to put -2. We're going to close the parenthesis. And then we're going to put to the power x. Okay, just like it's laid out on the problem, except of course over here we used k, but it's not a big deal. All right, so this takes the sum of the first 5 elements of this geometric series, and we're going to hit enter, and we get a total -88. So this answer over here is -88, and it's really simple. Okay, cool. All right, let me move my screen over. There we go. All right, so the first answer there, -88. Now let's do this all over again with this second problem that we call number 6. Alpha window once more. Number 2 for summation. We're going to use the variable x again. We're going to go from 1 to 5. So let me go ahead and scroll down over here and put in a 1. All right, there we go. Move over to the right. Okay, now in this case it's a fraction, so you can go ahead and type a fraction. I like to use alpha y equal, and then number 1 for the numerator denominator combination, 2/3, and then I'm going to go over, I'm going to put a parenthesis. My common ratio here is 2, and then to the power of x. Okay, and I'm going to scroll over and just make sure that it matches from 1 to 5, 2/3, 2 to the power k, in our case 2 to the power x. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and let's see what I get. I get a nice fraction, 124/3. So let me write that in here, 124/3. So that's how you'd go about figuring these geometric series out on the calculator, and it's a really easy thing to do, just pushing a few buttons and you've got your answer. So the calculator is fully capable of doing this for you, and keep that in mind as you're working on problems like this. So as always, if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.